Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Osakwuno Holding and Dion Osaige to this bro. Network is really terrible. Please, if you know you can see me, type yes. The network is very, very poor. I've been struggling with this network since. If you know you can see me, just type yes. If it fails again, then I'll have to get another network. If you know you can see me loud and clear, please type yes. Can you see me? I'm not seeing your yes. Can you see me? I'm waving. And please, I want to share this video. Please, I need your shares. I need a minimum of 200 shares. This video is not going to be more than 10 minutes. So I need a minimum of 200 shares. I want to ask Collins Imudia and his dubious foundation team. Collins Imudia, his sister Sandra, and their affiliates, their spokesman Osakwuno Holding. Osakwuno Holding is their affiliate, is their partner, and their mentor, Dion Osaige. Dion is their mentor. He's the one that taught them this business of using old people to drive sentiment. He's the one that taught them how to use old, aged, poor people to blackmail people emotionally, to drive sentiment. So please invite them. I am very, very outspoken, and I will continue. You cannot bully me out. You can't make me keep quiet when you are doing the wrong thing. Now, question I can't ask. I never really talk yet because I am still investigating. And please, if you know the family of this EA, the EA that just died, Collins Imudia Foundation woman leader, I never see where foundation they get woman leader. Now politics they see woman leader. They call it do the foundation like say now politics. I never see where foundation they get woman leader. The so-called woman leader cannot go to a conference and do a presentation. The late woman leader not go fit do. She not go fit even address people. I'm not even sure whether she get bank account. I'm not sure whether she feel write proposal. I'm not sure whether she feel organize seminar. So I don't know what to make them use aged old woman that is supposed to be resting, that is supposed to be pampered, that is supposed to be cared for woman leader. I don't know the kind of foundation what they do now. So now I can't ask Collins Imudia a question. I never really talk. And please, if you are close to the family of the late EA, let me know. Please, I need information to work. I know what I am doing. Please, if you are related to the EA or you be Iye pikin, let me give you my number, or you dey stay the area where Iye dey, or you know Iye, you know what happened to Iye, because Collins Imudia never come out. The woman don't die for almost 24 hours now. We never get proper information. I don't know what he's trying to do now. I don't know what he's trying to do. The first story he's trying to create, or how he's trying to gag us not to talk. I don't know what he's trying to do now with the family. You understand? So, if you are, let me block some. There are people are here. Let me block them. If you dare here, I don't invite you. Please, I better make a quick block there. This one say hide your face. May I just reason I say not be insult. May I offer block there. Any admin activate. Cause I daylight now they don't talk for their WhatsApp group. About daylight, I bet I'm gonna go counter them. The guy want rubbish our foundation. Please, if you are here and you are my fan, I want to see your comments. I want to see engagement. If you dare here, you insult my fan or you insult me, admin, please activate. Kick them out of this place. Kick them out. If you are my fan, I want to see your comment. Collins Imudia, woman leader. Announcement. The old woman where Collins Imudia tell they make money. One of the two where Collins Imudia tell they collect money from una for diaspora. The woman don't die. Oh. Then they try to hide the information though, but it don't leak. Oh. If you know the year, make una call me. Oh. The God of the poor is fighting back. Oh. The God of the less privileged is fighting back. Oh. The food when we share, don't they do things? Oh. The God of the poor, when they take advantage of, don't they do things? Oh. Make una call Collins Imudia, come or share this video. I want everybody when don't send the money to give Iye to see that the Iye when they feed, the Iye when they send money for, Iye don't die. Oh. Justice for Iye. Oh. Justice for Iye. Oh. And those state governments, Ministry of Women Affairs, Police, ICPC, EFCC, DSS, we are calling for justice. Oh. Justice for Iye. Oh. Collins Imudia number 1, 2. Collins Imudia number 1, 2. Iye don't die. Oh. Iye don't die. Oh. Please, if you are close to the family, let us know. I am rounding up in the next 3 minutes, 5 minutes, I'm done. Because the question I can't ask, oh, and the announcement, I never ready talk, oh. Collins, Dubai never tell you. Dubai never tell you. I tell you, I said the prayer when the less privilege when I give food, pray. Go spoil things. Go spoil things, so. Man, what big can wait, see. I get our way, make clear where. Wagbe.
Just pay me die. Woman leader. Ah, God damn it. Oh, shit. Woman leader, you don't need them. You don't need them. You be no need them. Everything there with you. Oh, God damn it. Just pay me die.
Woman leader, you be no need them. What it? Woman leader don't need. Come tell us. Come and tell your donors. You must be accountable. Come explain to your donors in a live video. What a woman leader don't need. You like woman leader, you be don't need them. When they will not go. Woman leader, did you buy car for woman leader? Did you build a house for woman leader? Was woman leader on monthly payroll? How did you take care of your woman leader? Come and explain to us. So, see the other video, yeah. See person where lose somebody. He hang glass. I bet when my glasses here, make a hang down. Hang go man. When the video yeah, package. Yeah, can let that video yeah, make one etc. The glass me hang, make one hang the glass tell me. Where do you want? Okay. I want to read the post for now. Today is a black day at Collins Imudia Foundation International. What international by any just when I was happy to come back and give you the gift I bought for you, washi, the gift to do the unwe dene mana. Only to be called that you had an accident on your way to get palliative from somewhere else this morning and you passed away. Iye was hungry. Oh my God, bet the day. And they go look for palliative. Whether that means she go look for, because she yes and the chef food. And they go look for palliative on what he call is a teller, but we don't know how true is this. Whether that incident that they message, we don't know. That's why the family and the police must investigate. Make una lawyer say, don't wound no. See where they for wounded ye, okay. You know more a Mickey the day. That you know more a Mickey the day. Udaga and I'm ice cream the day. With the day age, and they don't supposed to take this kind of thing, but they were trying to prove to you people that they take care of the woman. Now ice cream will be your God, they take care of person. Fake life. So Collins, I want to end the video now. I don't want to talk. I get many talk for months, but I never ready talk now. May not say about just conclude. Please do a video in your Dubai. When I don't reach Nigeria, I don't know. Tell us what happened to EA. Tell us, come and tell the world. We are waiting for you. Collins, if you lie, no say I be lot of information. I beg, if you not know EA, make you send me message. If you be EA picking, the money where Collins Imudia use EA to make, and the time when you go need to give account to EA family be this. Because if you employ a person, now you go take responsibility for what happened. So Collins, you are going to print your account statement, come out. All the money where you use EA to make, and the time for you to return the money to the family. In fact, that duplex where they hide the build, now then they go bury this EA. Because now EA, you think they drive emotions. You know, they use EA to they do comedy. EA go they joke, they laugh. I don't mean that you don't use EA to insult my enemy. You know, they use EA to they do different things. I saw Gio carry some old women that I give their ex, when they go they break for Joshua. That's why they use old people. That's why they use old people. I'm say people, everybody want to take care of the old. So Collins, I am giving you the next 6 hours to come out on a live video and explain to the world. Your crocodile tears no go injure somebody like me. It's painful that you just send this woman. You just do this woman like this. I warned you many months ago. I said this woman is too old for the kind of work that they use after they do. Where is your mother? Where your aunties? Where your relative? Call and use them, but nobody listen to me. They say shut up, jealousy. Where you now? You go look for palliative. According to Collins Imudia, allegedly, according to Collins Imudia. So come tell us the place where she be they go. The place to forget the accident, where you there now. See now, the food that I share give the less privilege. EA was the less privilege. You know, a lot of people get that direct access with EA. You know, a lot they pay into EA account. EA now come out of hunger, go look for food. Where is EA today? You say they help people. Your own woman that can't go look for food. I get a lot to talk. I never ready to talk. Collins, you have 6 hours. Share this video. All the people who want to make Evil Foundation stop for Edo. Just the way we want to make Evil Union stop for Edo. Share this video. Make una call Collins. Call us. Come out and speak for your friend. Come and explain to us what happened. Because now under the foundation, they use that they collect clothes, they collect shoe, they do atara. Come and tell us what happened to una woman leader. Please share this video. I will be back. Collins Imudia, I give you 6 hours. About obazee. Hey, Sandra, come out for una platform. Come talk. Collins Imudia sister, come out.